Hi guys, it's Oliver and welcome back to another video at the Slime Lab. So today we're going to be doing a 100% honest famous slime shop review on 3 different slime shops. So don't forget to subscribe down below, comment, and like this video. If we can get to 1,000 likes, I will do another famous slime shop review. And yeah. So, thanks for watching in advance, and let's get on to the slime video. So for the first shop, we have TheBombSlime, and the first slime that I have from her is ELAINE'S Bubblegum. And the reason that I bought the slime is because it's super thick and glossy, and I saw on so many people's stories after Slime Bash because they bought it there and they were freaking out about how thick and glossy it was. So I decided to go and purchase it, and then I saw her video and then I was like, no, it's time to purchase this. It's super thick, super glossy. It looks exactly like bubblegum. It has the color of bubblegum. It smells so good, like bazooka bubblegum, and it has some rainbow flow beads, and I love this. For extras, Elaine included a thank you extra slime and some candy. She also included her business card, but I lost that. The next shop that we have is NUTELLA, and I have wanted to buy from NUTELLA for so long. They are a pretty popular slime company. This is their pink frozen lemonade, and this is their iconic slime, iconic frozen texture. It is a super thick and no, it's not. This is a super thick, clear-based slime with yellow and pink foam beads to represent the lemonade, like, I don't know. And it has fake snow in it to give it the jelly texture for like the frozen lemonade effect. And it has great bubble pops and is super flocky and super stretchy and thick. And it smells just like pink frozen lemonade. It is mouth-watering. I love it. And I definitely recommend grabbing this from their next restock. I'm not sure when they're restocking next because they said this was their last restock for a while, but they might still be in stock, so if they are, I definitely recommend snatching this one if it's still in stock, and if it's not, get something else because all of their slimes are so amazing. For extras, Ashley included a business card, borax, and some Starburst. The next shop is SlimeGlitterz with their iconic grape soda pop. This slime is a super thick and creamy and glossy slime. It smells just like grape soda pop, like the name. It has green and purple foam beads to represent the grape. It's super thwacky, thick, and the smell is just mouth-watering, and it has amazing bubble pops too. This slime was a little sticky when it came, so I added some activator. The next slime is Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tarts, again from SlimeGlitterz. And this slime is one of his newer slimes, but it is still a great slime. It is a Java chip slime. It has some fake sprinkles and some rainbow flow beads to represent the the Hot Fudge Pop-Tarts. It has also some brown Java chips to represent the Hot Fudge in the Pop-Tarts. It is a super thick and glossy slime. It is something that I haven't seen before. It's very unique. It's like a clear base, but also a white glue base. I don't know. It's also super thwacky, and very stretchy and crunchy. And it smells just like Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tarts. It smells so amazing. I also apologize for the lighting in this video. It's not the greatest. Usually it's not like this. I'm really upset right now, but because of the lighting, but it's fine for now. So for extras, Oscar included borax, his business card, and candy. Also, Oscar's containers are a little different. They're nothing that I've ever seen before, but I love them. And he also has some slime warnings on the side of his slime. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like down below. If we get to 1,000 likes, I will be doing another one of these videos. Don't forget to comment down below too, #SlimeAnator and tell me that you're a part of the fam. I just want to mention that there will not be a restock video today, but there will be a restock, so don't forget to go to the shop and snatch a few slimes.